Hello, my name is Dr. Spero Karas, and I'm a sports medicine surgeon at the Emory Orthopaedics Spine Center. In medicine, I get to do something that's both fun and interesting, working with some great people and helping my patients achieve their physical goals. Helping people, whether you're a professional athlete, a weekend warrior, or just want to return to an active lifestyle, is why I chose to become a physician. Here at Emory, we have a multidisciplinary approach to the entire patient, which includes not only world-class physicians who are highly skilled in the diagnosis and management of musculoskeletal conditions, but also a research program to set the new standards for managing sports injuries. Essentially, we're establishing the cutting edge of treatment and care for a wide variety of both basic as well as complex issues. When caring for my patients, I aim to listen to their problems and how it's impacting their lives. Then we can start to formulate a plan of where they want to be and how we can get them there. I'm advocating for my patients' health, and I partner with them to achieve those goals in getting them healthy and living an active lifestyle. When I'm not caring for my patients, I love spending time with my family. I like to stay fit by cycling, weightlifting, and playing a little golf. And in the winter, I take a trip to the mountains for some skiing and snowboarding. I enjoy reading and staying up to date on the current literature, and I do a good bit of academic travel, lecturing throughout the country. In closing, I look forward to meeting you and starting our healthcare journey together at Emory.